Hello guys, this is Ball Gamer here. I'm on my website. I'll have that in the description. Just looking through, and recently I found out that World of Warcraft was down for a little bit for maintenance, and I decided why not put my server back up. So you can either register mine or make your own at this link right here. This is a Jehovah repack. Zoomed in a little bit. Alright, and this will also be in the description in case you need it. Okay, and there it is right there. Nothing too fancy. Once you download it, you'll get this icon right here, launch file server. And then you'll have your email package. So go into that, and then your Apache. That right there is how you run your website. So now what I do, I don't open it from there. I just go down into your start log right here in Apache. That's where people can register. You just click the one, not the monitor, and it'll come up in this blank command prompt. Leave it like that. I don't know why it's blank. Okay, then just a little bit below it, you open up configs here, and if you want it public. Everything else I'll put it in the description what to change your password to. The logon server here is, let me zoom in for it here, guys. Okay, so as you see here, as I zoomed in a little bit, is what you're gonna change. Sorry about that. So the listen notes right there is what you're gonna change. Okay, and when you go down to the logon server right here, when you scroll all the way down, it'll have this thing. It's remote password Jovid. Allowed IPs, change it to your hamachi IP that I'm going to show you how to get here in a second. And then by the slash, it should be 32. It'll start out as 24, but make it 32. That enables it to be public. Okay, I didn't save because you're going to go down to realms. I'm not sure what all is about. And then you'll go to your login address, which is right there. Make it look exactly like that. Okay, and your realm count is 1. So, and then at the bottom is where you can edit the name of your realm, and your address is your hamachi icon PvP population. Keep all that the same. Just change the address and the name. Alright, and then once you go to your world, I'm not sure you have to change much in the world, but it's always good to look at. Oh, okay, let me zoom in here for you. The listen host thing, when you scroll down a little bit, it's in the listen config. You'll want to put that in right there. So, and server, zoom out just a tiny bit on that. This is what you can edit it to be right there. So scroll down even more here. Okay, there's nothing. Alright. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, after you do that, there's these backup files in case they get deleted. Make sure. Alright, now once you got all those changed, if you want to make it public, you're going to scroll down, and I think I've already done this, so me try to find the where you put the, whatever it's called, the ad thing. Okay, well, there'll be an ad EX in there. 1 second, got my. Alright, so there'll be an ad EX. What you'll do is go into your World of Warcraft folder, which is right click, open file location. And as you see down here, I put it, you make a new folder before you do anything called maps, which is all the maps are going to go. Okay? Then you extract this into there. Okay? And if the ad does not work, you'll want to download NetFrames, which I'll put the link in there in my description. And once you download that, you reopen it and it will work. You wait for that to load up. Once it's all loaded up, you open, it depends on, do you want to test it, you'll open your, this is just if you want to test it out. If you want to make it public right away, that's fine. I'll just tell you how to do that in a second. So you open your launch file. You'll start your SQL, then you'll go to World, okay? And this little, it's actually pretty nifty, actually, what Jovid did with this is he made account management, GM commands, and all that nifty little stuff, so it's pretty cool. That's another thing you'll do on your own time here. In account management, you just create account, delete account, but they usually can just register, and that's how you ask them for their name, account name, to upgrade it. And then you launch that and change your realm list to 127.0.0.1. That's if you don't want it to be public. If you do, you download hamachi, leave it, the license, when it asks you for the licensing, leave it in the middle bubble. That'll make sure it keeps forever. Then you click next, install, create your server by going down to this little button. Alright, 1 second. Oh well, you go down to that little button, creating a network, and you make your network, you have your friends connect to it, and the IP is that right there. That's mine for my server, but that is basically what they'll type in to go to your website. That no www, thersat.com, and then that's what the realm list is going to be. Set realm list, that number right there for you. So, alright. And once you have that all done, change your realm list, and once you've changed all the configs to your hamachi IP, which I showed earlier on in the video, you run your server, allow them to get on, and there you go, you have your own private server. Now in the other part of the video, you'll want to go to your Internet Explorer, okay, and then to make your items, to make like here, it's just going to be wow-v.com. Okay, let's let it load up for a little bit here. Okay. Just so you can get that, it'll be in the description, but it also needs to be shown in my video. There it is right there in case you needed to see it. You just register, then start creating your own items. When you download your batch file, that file, just download the Archimate one, then put it into your, then you copy, you downloaded it, you open it up, copy, just click, highlight everything and copy. Go into your SQL importer, put it in there and click import. That'll work. Then you close your databases, your world and your logon, and then you restart them. And then it works. And then yeah. It's pretty straightforward, easy. Comment if you have any questions, and go to my website and go to my private server blog for videos and different cool things like that. So thank you guys.